Morning guys, Ugo here, TMS, hope everyone's good. So, 3 months of the year have passed. Basically, first quarter's gone. 3 quarters left in the game. How have you spent the first quarter? How have you spent the first 3 months of the year? And, how are you going to plan on doing the rest of the year? Obviously here at Tickzon Scheme, obviously Ugo here, we're all about, self-improvement, turning hindsight into foresight, and aiding you to live the best life possible. And you have to understand, obviously, every second you have is a second that you have to use as an opportunity to do whatever you want, to further wherever you're trying to get to, and understand that every opportunity you waste and every second that's gone, you're never getting it back. It's literally the one unreplenishable thing that you actually have here. Time is something you never get back. That's the reason why you can't, sleep the time back. You can't, you really can't get your time back in any kind of sense. Even the few seconds here that you're here with me, you're not getting it back, but I aim and hope that within this time, we can add value into your life, because ultimately that's what it is out here. You got time to create value, time to give value, and time to grow. Hello, thank you. I'm walking and talking. Hey, well, it's one of the ones, guys. One of the biggest killer for people trying to progress in what they're trying to do in their life is making excuses. Excuses always sound sweet and nice to those that are making it. And ultimately, yes, there's extenuating circumstances at any point in time. Every year we've always said it's the worst year, and we're going to have a couple of years in the future which we're going to say is worse than this year. So ultimately, what do you have to do? You have to use the resources you have with the ability you have at the time and the knowledge you have at the time to try and get as far as you're able to get to from where you are. Ultimately, you might not reach your ultimate goal, but you'll be damn near sure further than where you are today. So if you came into the new year with New Year's resolutions and all those kind of things and you flopped, that's okay. You flopped. Now stop feeling sorry for yourself. Pick yourself up and understand that you have 9 more months to rectify, and then take a stock and audit of yourself. Ask yourself, am I where I want to be now? The sun is now coming out, and this is time for you to start coming out with it. So today's what, Easter Sunday, so happy Easter to everybody, whether eating chocolate or saying wagwan to Jesus Christ. All good in the hood. Tomorrow in the UK is bank holiday, so use tomorrow as a day to kind of just audit yourself, find out where you are. Are you happy where you are? And is there places you can improve? We can always improve. None of us are the finished article, and we're struggling every day. Everybody has problems, but understand all your problems can be solved, and you just have to do something differently or continue pushing on what you're doing to ultimately see the result. But you only really fail when you give up, but also at the same time, you need to realize when you need to move on from what you're trying to do. So where there's any aspect in your life, we say here, invest in yourself, your wealth, and your health. Because ultimately, if you do that, you'll live the most holistic life that you can do. So thank you for being here. You'll be seeing some more regular stuff here. Ultimately, we've started some of our workshops, but there's on Clubhouse, Zoom, all that kind of stuff. Follow me at Mr. Tickzon. Follow us at Tickzon MS on all platforms. Website coming soon, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, we'll be having a lot of workshops, and you guys will be seeing us more. So hopefully everyone's having a blessed day. And yeah, happy Sunday, happy new week, and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, keep on smiling. Oh, and try to do an act of random kindness, because ultimately that's how we change the world. So keep on smiling through the pain, and hopefully the pain will match the smile and stop being painful. That didn't make sense, but anyway, hit the like, comment, subscribe. Bye.